How to fix Honor Magic 7 Wi-Fi calling not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, click on mobile network, and on top you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.